are going to love the 2013 Hyundai Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: XM satellite radio, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, traction control, Bluetooth, power steering, front wheel drive, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, USB connection, power windows, power door locks, electronic stability control, leather, auxiliary audio input, tilt steering wheel, technology package, privacy glass. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.